How to delete archive orders on Amazon. Let's get started. Launch your Amazon app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Click on three bars given at the bottom right corner. Then click on the option of accounts. Now here you're going to find different sections. Under order section, you're going to find the option of archive orders. Click on that option of archive orders. And over there, you're going to find the list of your archived orders. In order to delete any of the archive order, what you have to do is click on that order and you will get the option of cancel. Just click on that option of cancel. You will get the pop-up confirm cancellation. Click on confirm. With that, you just cancel the archive order. By following the same steps, you can easily delete other archive orders as well. Well, this is how you can easily delete archive orders on Amazon. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.